Hi everyone, welcome back to Class Go Education online YouTube learning channel. And from this particular video, we will try to analyze the concept behind the existence of two North Poles and why scientists are so much curious about the drift of the North Poles. So as you know, the Earth has two pairs of North and South Poles. The geographic poles are defined by the axis around which the planet rotates and are fixed. So this particular axis is analyzed from this particular diagram whereby geographic North Pole connects geographic South Pole. The Earth behaves like a giant bar magnet and this behavior defines its magnetic North and South Pole. This property is basically occurred just because of the liquid outer core. And this particular axis, which is magnetic North Pole connecting magnetic South Pole, this is not static. Okay. The magnetic North Pole or South Pole does not coincide with the geographic North or South Pole. The magnetic North Pole is located somewhere over the northern Canada, and this particular fact was discovered in 1831 by Sir James Clark Ross. So why actually this particular drift about the North Pole is in news? So the Earth's northern magnetic pole is moving quickly away from the Canadian Arctic toward Siberia. Siberia is basically in Russia. And this movement has forced scientists to update the world magnetic model. Okay. So you can see from this particular map the movement from the Greenland to the Canada, and now this movement is basically towards Siberia, and Siberia is basically located in Russia. Why scientists are so much curious? Scientists have now realized the pace of this movement has suddenly increased because in 90s this pace was around 14 to 15 km per year, but now this pace has increased to 55 km per year. This led to scientists updating the world magnetic model that tracks this movement, and it was a year ahead of schedule. Typically, a new and updated version of the world magnetic model is released every 5 years. With the last release in 2015, the next version is scheduled for release at the end of 2019. Due to unplanned variation in the Arctic region, scientists have released a new model to more accurately represent the change of the magnetic field between 2015 and now. So probably you people got an idea what actually the drift of North Pole, why it is so. But why curiosity, or you can say what are the consequences of this particular drift can cause? The entire transportation sector, especially aviation, shipping, depends on correctly knowing the position of magnetic north to chart out their navigation paths. Likewise, it is crucial and important for militaries who need to know this for their launching, or you can say for firing their missiles or some other purposes. Knowing the magnetic north is vital and very crucial for various sort of civilian application as well as navigation. So this is all about the North Poles and drift around the North Poles. So stay tuned. If you like this particular video, do like and subscribe, comment. So have a good day, rise and shine.